Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Welcome to week 3 of our short story writing series. This week, we'll practice telling what happened first, next, and last. Get ready to write about a lost dog and your favorite game. What are we learning today? Today, we'll focus on writing events in order. What happened first, next, and last. You'll also practice writing short stories using 2 fun prompts. Let's start with a story about the lost dog. Think about who lost the dog. What did they do to find it? What happened next? And how did the story end? Write 2 to 5 sentences to tell your story. Here's an example of a story about the lost dog. Let's read the story together. Ready? Let us begin. I lost my dog in the park. First, I called her name. Next, I asked my friends to help look. Last, we found her under a tree. Great job. Your story can be simple like this too. Now it's your turn. Write a story about the lost dog. Don't worry about spelling. Just get your ideas down. Start with what happened first, add what happened next, and then end with what happened last. Write 2 to 5 sentences. Next, let's write about your favorite game. Think about what is your favorite game? What do you do first, next, and last when you play it? Write 2 to 5 sentences to share your ideas. Here's an example of a story written about my favorite game. Let's read the example together. Ready? Let us begin. My favorite game is soccer. First, we pick teams. Next, we kick the ball and run. Last, we cheer when we score a goal. Now, you can write about your game. Now it's your turn to write a story about my favorite game. Begin your story with what happens first, add what happens next, and end with what happens last. Write 2 to 5 sentences. Keep it simple and fun. Great job today! You practice writing short stories with events in order. Keep practicing this week with other ideas too. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 30. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few moments every day to review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can do this lesson with ease. When you can do this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session. But before you go, please, if you've enjoyed this interactive lesson, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye bye.